ThreatMetrix helps companies stop online fraud and identify customers by profiling the computers visiting their website instead of the person. Now, we can help companies make better, smarter, faster decisions about risk when someone comes to their website to register a new account, make a payment, or to log in. The security systems and firewalls that most companies have in place are mostly intended to prevent the bad guys from getting into the back office systems, and are not very effective at stopping fraudsters who tend to prey on consumers and their private personal data and their credentials. So the problem is that the same benefits that the internet affords the payments industry, namely speed, convenience, and global reach, are also available and widely used by fraudsters. Here's how ThreatMetrix works. You put our tags on the pages of your website where you want to control fraud, for example, the checkout page in a purchase. Then whenever a computer visits that page, it makes the call to us, and we prowl the computer instantly within a few seconds. We take information, anonymous data, from the browser, from the TCP/IP connection, and from the operating system. We gather about 150 attributes, and we use that data to come up with a unique identity for that computer. And therefore, whenever we see the machine again, we'll recognize it as would you. If the transaction proceeds, then we go ahead with the risk assessment. We look at all the data, we look for things that are out of place that are indicators to fraud risk, and we also use the identifier to look at our network of computers that we've seen before to contribute toward the risk as well. And you can also look at it and determine what history you've had with that device, good or bad. All of that can be rolled up and contributes toward an overarching risk score. And again, you have all that information available to you in real time within a few seconds so that you can make decisions about risk before you actually take the transaction. Here are the benefits that ThreatMetrix device identification can bring to your business. First, ThreatMetrix is a real-time risk management solution. That is, that we provide you all the risk information, all the data you need within seconds before you decide whether to accept the transaction. Second, when it comes to device identification, more is better. ThreatMetrix gets more data from more places so that you get a more reliable identity on a computer, and we give you more perspectives on risk to make a better call. And third, ThreatMetrix is easy. This is a simple SaaS application that's easy to get up and running in days or weeks, not months. So you begin getting results almost immediately. Fourth, ThreatMetrix is very affordable. Whether you're an SMB or an enterprise, ThreatMetrix is a very cost-effective anti-fraud solution. And finally, ThreatMetrix is proven. A fast-growing list of companies around the world in payments, e-tail, social networking, and more all use ThreatMetrix to stop fraud and to give their customers a better online experience.